Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Tag Manager to SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Tag Manager to SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track conversions and various events, and by connecting Google Tag Manager, that's a popular way to do that. Whatever the case, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, for this to be able to work, you need to have your Google Tag Manager container ID. If you need help finding that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you have that and you've copied it to your clipboard, you're going to come back in here to your SamCart dashboard, and on this left menu, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on tracking and pixels. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these various options, but you want to look for this line right here, Google Tag Manager, and check this little radio button. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and paste in your container ID. Okay, so once you've pasted it in, you want to click on Save Changes here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see tracking and pixel settings successfully updated. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Tag Manager to your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.